With questions, many students face challenges in getting their doubts cleared timely and effectively. Welcome to IGNOU Hub, introducing our innovative doubt resolution service for students of any kind of homework and assignments. Drop a message on WhatsApp 900-936-8238. How to ask questions. Write or give screenshot of your questions on given WhatsApp number 900-936-8238. Step 1. Ask your questions. Wait for reply. After confirmation, please pay and get your answer within a day. Why should you choose us? Fastest service, reliable answers, free student support, minimum charges. What are the advantages of PAM method? Explain them. Explain how to cluster the data sets using k-Mediod clustering algorithm. Compare k-means versus k-Medoids algorithms for clustering. And what is the main objective of clustering? Give the categorization of clustering approaches. Also explain how to evaluate the clustering algorithms. If you need answer of these questions, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number. Thank you.